Hi, hello everyone. I am Yogana, OPI student. Now I am explain about data analysis assignment. Okay, first one of import libraries. Libraries Pandas. Panda short form is PD. This Panda is allowed table, files, etc. Okay, and load the data set. I had taken my placement data set. Data set is a variable and load data set and call the data set and display the data set of serial number, gender, SSP, etc. Next one we see replace the null values. How to check none and null values? Using is null and is not check none and null values. Okay. The salary part is salary part value is 67 non-values. How to replace it? Salary is non-values column, so taken by non-values. Okay. In the in data set salary. Okay. It has non-values, so taken by salary column. Okay. Fill now bracket 0 comma in place equal to 2. What is in place equal to? In place equal to 2 is assigned the variable. 0 is filled with none values. Okay. So, again we check dataset dot listener sum. Now the none values is filled with 0. Okay. Next, different methods of data preprocessing. Okay, first one we will take mean median mode. Mean median mode is mostly used in categorical value. Okay. Second one, entire row delete. Third one, replace the missing values. Fourth one, semi-supervised model with create model predict the missing values. Okay. Replace the non-values with correct values. In this data set salary have 67 non-values. Using Filna, we replace the value because not placed student cannot get using cannot get salary. Okay, the non values are filled with 0. Again run the data set. The not placed status, we check the not placed student salary is 0. Okay. Okay, how many of them are not placed? The data set to take status column, to check status column. Value counts. Value counts is inbuilt function. Okay, and taken by not placed students. How many of them are not placed student as persons? So I had taken by not placed students. Next taken by placed students. Okay, data set 67 students are not placed. Okay. Okay. Find third question. Find the reason for non-placement from the dataset. DF is variable. Um, Dataset status is not placed. To compare placed and not placed students. Okay. Okay. Not placed students is 67 rows and 15 columns. Dataset dot columns purpose is column names given by order wise. Order wise. Okay. What is dir dataset? Dir data, it means given by correct name and output support name. Okay. It gives name. It may be used in correct output. DF. DF is variable. Um, DF is variable. D types means data types. We are find particular column in data types. Okay. D types means data types. Types of data types. Is int, object, float. Int means whole number. Object means categorical value. Float 64 means decimal values. We are create function quant qual. Quant qual. Okay. Quant qual is taken by empty box because the column name automatic separated in quant qual. Okay. With using if and else statement condition, and then append means add. Qual uh, qual append column name. It has column and column names are add. Okay. Quant and column names are add. Okay. Written statement quant qual. Okay. Call the function. Next quant qual uh, uh, function call to present else part of quant to present else part of quant. So the quant part is displayed. Okay. Next we are going to descriptive. What is descriptive? Descriptive means data describing. Okay. Descriptive means taken by mean median mode. Okay. PD means pandas. Data frame means give the table formats. Okay. Index, median, mean median mode are also given the place. Okay. Assign the columns of one to give uh, for loop condition, and then in quant. Okay. And the descriptive variable is called the function to display the median of value. The not placed salary is 0. Next we are going to talk about placed state. Placed statement. Now, okay. DF1 is variable. Placed data set is DF. Not placed data set is DF. Placed is DF1. Okay. Same work. Create function. Quant qual empty function. And then the DF1 column name D types as in the object, and then qual append column name, quant append column name. Okay, return quant qual function call uh, function call to give serial number, SSPP, HSP, degree P, test P, MVP, salary. Okay, data set dot describe. What the data set dot describe means describe the data. Okay, mean, median, mode is most used by categorical value. Okay. Next, descriptive one, PD dot data frame. PD means pandas, data frame means create the table, and then will be for loop conditions uh, to call the function of descriptive one to salary part of answer uh, given 2,65,000. So not placed salaries 0, placed salaries 2,65,000. Okay. Find the reason for non-placement. Compare the placed student median and not placed student median. In placed student up to SSP2 E-test, the average is greater than or equal to 68%. So above 68% pass mark students are placed. Not placed student up to SSP to ETSTP, the average is less than 68%. So below 68% pass mark students are not placed. So it's the reason for non-placement. Okay. Next one, what kind of relation between salary and the MBA pass mark correlation? Correlation means the data set to check the name. Correlation. Correlation name is CORR. Okay. Data set dot correlation. Data correlation means two columns relationship is called by correlation. Okay. My question is, our question is MBA pass mark to salary. Okay, MBA pass mark salary is 13% is directly proportional. Okay, it is correlation. Which is specialization is getting minimum salary. Variable name DF1, value short values. BY means column wise. BY is column specifies salary column. Okay. Ascending means order wise to give the answer order wise. Okay. Columns in the column is salary. Column salary ascending true is given by order wise. Okay. Order wise there, which is specialized in getting minimum salary. Marketing and HR and marketing and financial specialization is getting minimum salary, though the minimum salary is 2 lakh. How 2 lakh? Okay, next question. How many of them getting above 5 lakh salary? Sal means variable data set to pass the data set. For the data set and sal column and greater than 5 lakh. Okay, salary. There are run the program, run the coding and answer of there are 3 candidates are getting above 5 lakh salary, above 5 lakh salary. Sal dot count, it's variable. It is used for big data set because to find the value counts. Okay. There are 3 candidates are getting above 5 lakh salary. Next question is test the analysis of variance between ETSTP and MP test at signification level. First make decision using hypothesis testing. First Skype install and then analysis of variance is 2 type of classification. One-way classification, two-way classification. Here we used one-way classification with the ETSTP and MBAP. Okay. The statistic value is 98.64. P value is 4.672. P value means probability value. Same log value. H0, there is no signal between this column. H1 is signal between these columns, except H0 and reject H1. P value is greater than 0.05 value. So accept H1 and reject H1. Okay, analyze the fair and justify. P value is greater than 5%. So accept H0 and reject H1. Okay. Eighth question. Text the similarity between the degree T science and tech and specialization, M marketing and HR with respect to salary to significant level of 5%. Okay. First we see similarity. Covariance means difference. Correlation means relationship. Similarity means testing. Test. Okay. Independent sample, unpaired test, different groups but same condition. Similarity come to taken by B test Here present different groups but same condition. So we are taken by independent sample. Independent sample. Okay. Import t-test. Import t-test in the independent sample. Okay. Data set drop now automatic remove non-values. Degree data set, pause the data set, degree and send state and salary part. Same condition and different groups. Okay. Run the program. Statistic value, p value. Okay. Hypothesis testing. Test the similarity between the degree. Science and technology and specialization marketing and culture. With respect to set alternative hypothesis, there's a similarity between degree of science and technology and specialization of marketing and culture. Solution p value is less than 5%. So it accept alternative hypothesis and reject null hypothesis. Okay. Next, convert the normal distribution to standard normal distribution for salary columns. Install Seaborn. Create function, pause the data set, import Seaborn as a diagram purpose, calculation the mean and the standard deviation, and values is positive in loop statement, for loop statement, formula calculation, and then this plot says SNS means Seaborn, and then this plot Z score KD means kernel density estimate is it's true. It has given the curve, bell-shaped curve. So it has used. And then I have taken by salary part. Okay. And the cell. And then give the not placed and placed students are also read. Okay. Next question. What is the probability density function of the salary range from 7 lakh to 9 lakh? Same create function, start range and the end range, and import by plot, import norm, and then color, purple color, orange color to any color, our wish. Okay. Pipe plot, explain, pipe plot, start range, green, end range, green, to, and then sample data set, mean and the standard deviation calculation is used. Sample means sample standard deviation, and then to pause for loop statement values, startage and end range, and then the area between start and end range. Okay, return statement probability. Okay, get BDF probability data set, salary part 7 lakh to 9 lakh to run the cell, and then 7 lakh to 9 lakh is display the bell-shaped curve. Okay. Next question, test the similarity between the degree and respect to significance level of 5%. Here, a different condition but same group is dependent sample. Okay, it's called parity t-test. Okay, different conditions. Same group, different conditions. Okay, it's run static value 4.53, p value 1.42. Accept null hypothesis, reject alternate hypothesis. There is no similarity between e-test of degree T and MBAP mark of degree T. Okay. And the null hypothesis, there is no similarity between e-test and the degree and the MBA mark of degree T. Okay. And next question, which parameter is highly correlated with the salary? Data set dot correlation means the first one of very low, normal, 18, 13. Okay, SSP is highly correlated with the salary because 0.53. SSP is highly correlated. And plot any useful graph and explain it. Import So diagram purpose. SNS means Seaborn pair plot data set. We will look at the diagram, very easily understand the serial number basis it has a spreading, okay, clean pattern. Okay, thank you so much.